Welcome to PrimaryClinic's training video. In this video, we are going to go through archiving and retrieving a patient. There might come a time where you need to archive a patient due to that patient either having a duplicate record or that patient may have been entered into PrimaryClinic by mistake. We also have a separate option for a deceased patient, which I will go through lastly. To archive a patient, select either the patient box from the main menu or the patient icon from the quick link toolbar. Search for the patient by entering their family name and their first name. I'm going to use my test patient in this case. Once you see the patient you are wanting to archive, simply select the Archive button. A prompt will appear confirming you want to perform this action. Just select Yes. The patient file has now become archived. If you want to retrieve an archived file, the steps are very similar to archiving a patient. All that you need to do is enter the patient's family name and first name. So in this example, I'll just use my test patient again. But all I need to do this time is select the archived box and select Find. As you can see here, my archived patient has now appeared. If I would like to unarchive this patient, all that I would need to do is select the Unarchive button. If you are notified that a patient has unfortunately passed away, PrimaryClinic has an option to make that patient's file a deceased file. It is similar to archiving a patient file, but by selecting deceased, you are able to enter the deceased date for your records. All that we need to do is enter the patient's family name and first name. Double click on the patient file. Up here, there's a deceased option. If you tick in the checkbox, it will allow you to type in the deceased date. Once you have entered your date, select Save. You can also search deceased patients, very similar to how we search for an archived patient. All that you'd need to do is to enter the patient's family name and first name, select the deceased box, and Find. As you can see, we are able to see our deceased patient. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please take a look at our website for more training videos. Thank you.